44, 46, 48, 50. Now let's stomp our feet. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 60, 62, 64, 68, 68, 70. Stomp your feet one more time. Count! 72, 76, 70, 80. Wave your hands, let's count some more. Run in place, it's time to go. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 96, 98, 100. Whoa, keep counting. 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118, 120. Now we can skip count by twos. Counting by twos is fun to do.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.